the box has been in stores now for almost 5 months. Initially mostly on e-tail and just went into Best Buy a few weeks ago. And we're seeing very good pickup from mostly our existing users that are upgrading from a laptop or HTPC type of setup to a Boxee box. And what we see with those users is significantly more consumption of video, which I guess is to be expected, because if you invested in a device and you set it up on your TV and it's permanently there, then whenever you engage with it, you spend a bunch of time with it. Compared with Boxee running on a laptop that you connect head dock from time to time, which leads for a more sporadic use.
Can you say kind of what's hot on the box, so to speak?
Yeah, today most of what you see in terms of time spent is still premium movies and TV shows. We have a very good partnership with Vudu that have the largest HD library of movies today. So people are consuming lots of new released videos. They rent or buy them, mostly rent, I assume. So that drives a lot of consumption. And then on TV shows, people are watching a lot of TV shows on Netflix on Boxee and streaming from some of the network sites. And then we have stuff.
I'm sorry, streaming linear programming? Not yet. Or
it's all catch-up TV.
Yeah.
And then we have stuff like TED that is doing really, really well on the platform. They created a 10-foot experience, a TV experience for TED.com. They have hundreds of talks there, some great stuff, and I think it's a top 5 app right now in Boxee, so it drives a lot of consumption. Vivo, which is music videos, is also doing very well, and they created experiences that are tailored for TV. So you go into Vivo, you can stream music videos for an hour straight. There's ads in the middle, but you get a good music video experience. So I think you're going to see more of that, more of made for TV, like taking stuff that was initially maybe on the web, creating a better TV experience and driving more consumption, and probably battle a little bit of the traditional premium content consumption.
What about other linear programming, live programming?
So live today on Boxee is mostly around sports. So we work with Major League Baseball and the NHL and the PGA Tour, and we're trying to bring more folks to the table so we can have a broader sports package. But I think that in terms of additional channels, live channels going on, there's still a lot of conflict with the traditional distribution channel for them to embrace over the top very aggressively. So I think we're still, there's probably a couple of years away from seeing more of those channels coming online. Before that happens, I think you'll see more from the broadcast channels that is happening, and maybe traditional TV content makers that are going to make made for over-the-top type of programming.
Cool. And what's next for you guys with the new firmware or new developments or distribution? What's coming up?
Yeah, to us, we just raised another round of financing, and we have 3 challenges that we focus the company on. Is constantly improving the product. So we're trying to be on a 3-month cycle of releasing firmware to our users. The next one is coming out in May. The second is getting more content, and that's an ongoing effort both in the US and outside. And the third is getting more distribution. So getting to be in more retail stores, but also getting additional partners to work with to get Boxee Box and other devices out there.